Today we look at the tools you're going to need to assemble a laser cut wood structure kit right now. Most of the links below in the description link to products found on Amazon.com. Please note that these are not affiliate links and I am in no way getting paid to endorse any of these products. And now it's time for the Feature Friday Channel of the Week. The Featured Friday Channel of the Week this week is It's My Railroad. Host Steve Brown brings his regular guy and sometimes comedic approach as he builds his new N-scale Brown-Smith Railroad. Steve is also a contributor to Model Railroader Video Plus, so I urge you to check out his channel and also go subscribe to MR Video Plus so that you can see all of his videos. And while you're at it, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so that you can get notified when Steve uploads new videos.